Oh, have a nice holiday.
Have a nice holiday.
What happened, Mr. Kanan? Hasn't anyone come for a holiday visit from outer space yet?
Whatevs. Have a nice holiday, Mr. Amin.
Have a nice holiday, Mr. Kanan.
Manny, wake up! It looks like they forgot the baklava.
Let's take it to them quickly then.
Okay, so here's the thing. We tell our kids that our neighbors are our family, while also telling them about the holiday traditions there are. And we're also here to visit you.
Well said, mister. Welcome to my home.
I made this for you, sir.
Thank you so much, my dear.
I said holiday visit from outer space. How can someone come for a holiday visit from space?